Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 124.
FamilyMath number 124. So this is a fun problem that Fawn Nguyen posted on Twitter yesterday. She was using it as an example in a problem-solving class or lecture she was doing. It's a pretty cool problem. I've seen it before, so this is what we're going to do today, this morning, okay? You ready for the problem?
Yeah.
4 people need to cross a bridge that will collapse in 17 minutes. Whoa. Understand?
Yeah.
Person A can cross in 1 minute, B in 2 minutes, C in 5 minutes, and D in 10 minutes. Make sense?
Yeah.
At most, 2 people can be on the bridge at a time. Okay?
Yep.
There is 1 flashlight, and you need it to cross, but 2 people can share it.
Yep.
When 2 people walk together, they walk at the rate of the slower person. Does all this make sense?
Yep.
Okay, well, we're going to go to our kitchen table and play around with this and see if we can figure this out. But this is a pretty neat problem, right?
Yeah.
And do you have any questions about it before we start?
No.
Okay. Alrighty, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen, and here's the problem. Would you mind giving me an example of the problem? And be careful when you're giving the example to not cover up the people with your hands. So actually, maybe you should do it from behind. Okay, so here's our 1 minute guy, 2 minute guy, 5 minute guy, and 10 minute guy, and here's the flashlight.
So maybe these two guys cross.
Okay, that's the 1 and the 2, so we're at 2 minutes.
2 minutes, then this guy comes back.
Plus 1 minute. Okay, that's 3 minutes.
Then this guy crosses.
Okay, that's how long?
That's 8 minutes.
So that's 5 minutes for those 2 to get across. So we've gone 2 plus 1 plus 5 so far.
Which is 8. Then this guy comes back 9.
Okay, so that's 1 more minute.
And then these guys cross together, so that's 19.
So that's 10 minutes when the 10 and the 1
10,
cross together.
So that's 19.
So that's 19. Okay. So that's a good example. And the only problem was
17.
17 minutes. Okay. All right. So what did we learn from that?
Well,
So
maybe
we can do it in 19.
We learned we could do it in 19. Did we learn anything else?
Well, maybe we should cross the slow. Maybe we should cross the slowest guys first, so we can get them out of the way.
Okay, so crossing the slowest first maybe gets them out of the way. Okay.
So maybe you could try this.
The 5 and the 10 going together. How long does that take?
That takes
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, so that takes 10.
Then this guy has to come back.
He would be the
Okay.
fastest of them.
All right, so when that guy comes back, that's 5 more minutes. What's the problem now?
Then this guy has to go back.
Yeah, so the 5 minute guy has to go back at some point, which is going to be at least another 5 minutes back, right?
Yeah.
So we're already
Running out of time.
We're already running out of time. But one thing was nice about that idea that you had there.
Well,
what was it?
We got the slower guys across first.
Okay, if the 2 slow guys cross together, that helps. Why does that help?
Because it gets them out of the way so you don't have to do them later.
Okay, when the 5 and the 10 cross together, that helps because they're the slowest people, and if they go together,
Yeah.
then you don't have to add the 5 and the 10 together. Because remember, you're trying to get to 17.
Yeah.
And if you have the 5 and the 10 when you're adding,
That's 10.
that already adds up to what?
It already adds up to 10.
15.
To 15. If the 5 and the 10 go separately, then you're adding the 15. Now, what's the problem with the 5 and the 10 crossing together?
Well, when this guy goes here, when these 2 go together, this guy has to come back, and then he has to go over again.
Okay, so it was really nice to have the 5 and the 10 crossing together because it saved us a little time, but the problem was one of them had to go back.
Yeah.
And neither one of them are particularly good at going back, right?
Yeah. So maybe we could try the 10 and
Wait.
we could try the 10 and the 2.
Well, wait, what did we learn in the last one?
2 slow guys. 2 slow guys together.
Okay, so if you try the 10 and the 5, does that use the thing we learned?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. It does.
Misunderstood. I think it does. Yeah, it does.
Who are the 2 slow guys?
These 2.
What do we want them to do?
We
want them to cross together.
So if the 10 and the 2 cross together, does that take advantage of what we learned?
No.
No.
So we have to find a
Wait,
way.
let your brother has an idea, he says.
Well, we have
Let your brother talk for a second.
Maybe the 1 and the 2.
Okay, the 1 and the 2 cross together.
That only takes 2 minutes.
That takes 2 minutes. Okay?
yeah. Then
All right.
But this guy has to come back.
All right. How long does that take?
That's 3 minutes.
How long does it take for that guy to come back?
1 minute.
Okay.
He could give the flashlight to these 2. But oh wait, no, then he has oh wait, yeah. He gives these 2 guys cross with the flashlight.
Okay, now why was that a good idea?
because
Then we have this guy here.
Whoa, don't get ahead of yourself. How long did that take?
That took 10 minutes.
And why was that a good idea?
because now we have the 2-minute guy here,
And what happens now?
He crosses back.
Aha.
and now that they cross.
How long does that take?
It
2
takes
minutes.
2 minutes.
All right, so that was an interesting idea. How
So
long did that all take?
17 minutes.
Exactly.
So we made it. We made it.
We made it. So that was fun, right?
Yeah.
So one thing that was really nice was the 2 slow people crossing together
Yeah.
was really helpful. And this other thing that was really nice that we didn't write down was that you want the 1 and the 2, if you can get the 1 and the 2 going back together.
Yeah. Then that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
That's a neat problem, right?
Because it only takes 2 minutes.
Yeah, so the 1 and the 2 are good at going back, and the 5 and the 10 crossing together really help.
Yeah.
So that was really cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really cool. That's great. That's a great problem to learn about problem solving. Because if you just keep trying things, it doesn't really seem to go forward that fast, right?
No.
Yeah.
But if you learn a few things, the 2 slow people crossing together, aha!
Yep. Then it goes a lot quicker.
Pretty good. Pretty good problem, guys. All right, good job.